Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Michael Clark, OPC Foundation North America. It's a privilege to welcome you. Many of you know me, sorry, no refunds. I'm really glad to welcome you though to our session this afternoon. We've got a packed agenda. I'd like to stay on time as best we can. In our agenda today, we're going to cover the following items. We're going to have a guest from Procter & Gamble, the production of architecture overhaul. And this is Jeff Kent from Procter & Gamble. Then we'll have the OPC Foundation report from our president, Stefan Hoppe, who is in attendance here. The Cloud Library and the Cloud Federation will also be part of his topics. We'll turn a bit of time over to Peter Lutz, who's the director of the FLC initiative. FLC stands for Field Level Communication. And that's the auspices under which the OPC UAFX, or Field Exchange, is being managed. In that, at that point, then we'll go into collaborations. I'll give a few announcements at that point, and then we'll turn some time over to John Dyke from CESMII. That's the Smart Manufacturing Institute here in the United States, and a announcement on the Digital Twin Consortium. And our friend Dan Isaacs will come on stage and give a few comments as well. After that, if we've got time, we'd like to open it to the floor for some Q&A.